You're hungry for Cardinal blood.
3, 2, 1!
I'm just ready to eat something right now. I'm going to devour someone, literally. So, you might want to step away.
I'm going to hit their quarterback, I'm going to take him out, then I'm going to rip his stomach out with my mouth.
I'm excited for this. I hope it's a clean game. I hope, I wish both teams well.
We're doing great. Moved the ball a little bit in the first drive. You know, didn't score, but moved the ball. That's all we needed. Defense is looking sharp so far.
What do you say about the rumors that you were mentoring Steve Brewster in the chart competition?
It was more of like a transfer of energy kind of thing. I mean, it's not like we went away to some secret retreat in the Himalayas where we had this like Shaolin monk temple.
Let me clear my throat.
Take him in the fake pan!
What up? I just caught a ball that was tipped in the air for our extra point. It was awesome. Felt so cool.
The Herald is gonna win, right, Cardinal?
I'm a motivator.
Good team, guys.
Without that, this team is not good.
7-7.
Oh shit, yeah.
We got the wind at our backs in the half, which makes a big difference passing game. We got it.
It's not great. We're okay. We're just keeping it exciting. You know, we'll come back. We'll win. 47. That's my call.
Little blood, but you know, we're winning, that's what matters.
Yeah, crush him. Now we're gonna drink the beer.
He's angry like he's a real person.
Obviously we dominated. There's not much else to say. Better team won, and my play calling helped a lot. So
Just watch this. Watch how good of a quarterback I could be.
Do you have any words on the Cardinals defeat?
No, we went out there. We tried our best. That's all I can say.
like I said before, shoot him up, spat him out. And stellar quarterback play by Elliott Hughes right there. He's a little busy, but
I mean, what can I say when you have receivers like these? You know, I'm better off than Aaron Rodgers is.
game ball goes the right way.
Y'all ready for this?
It's a great moment in my life.